What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. Now, before we get started, I just want to tell everyone thank you for the support. I really appreciate all the likes, the comments. I really appreciate you guys subscribing, asking me questions, contacting me on Telegram and Instagram, and joining Trillionaire Mac Trades. First link in the description. Really appreciate you guys. I'm glad you guys are able to take advantage of those trade callouts. Okay, make some money right along with me. Take advantage of my recommendations and things like that. So in this video, this is going to be a two-part video, but I've gotten a lot of questions about supply and demand. Okay, so in this video right here, we're going to go over reversal demand models, reversal supply models, kind of my mindset behind it, because I use supply and demand in order to find confluence with order blocks. Okay, and if you think about order block trading, with confluence, with demand and supply, and you layer them on top of each other, it makes it very, very easy to anticipate where price is going, why it's going there, things like that. Okay, so let's start off with reversal demand models, and I hope you guys are taking notes. I hope you guys are, you have your charts up next to you, so you can start to look for these things right along with me. Now, I will show you guys the concept of everything, okay, and then I'll show you guys maybe one or two examples. We'll see how long this video is, and then we'll see what happens. All right, but this is going to be probably a 3-part series, maybe a 4-part series. We'll just see what happens. So before we get started, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment how long you've been trading or what type of content you want to see from me. We will be doing a couple of crypto giveaways this week. We didn't do any crypto giveaways last week because we had, I think, 5 or 6 individuals 2 weeks ago win those crypto giveaways. So this week we will be back. If you need a very, very straightforward lesson plan in order to apply to the foreign exchange market in order to make profit, feel free to check out the Forex Fast Track. It's my first course. Link is down in the description below. Okay, now let's get right into it. So reversal demand models. So there's going to be 2 different types of demand and supply that are created within the market. Now we have our range created demand and we have our pivot created demand. We have our range created supply and we have our pivot created supply. So over here to the right, you're going to see pivot examples, and then over here to the left, you're going to see range examples. So what normally happens when we have a range created demand? Now there's 2 different ways that this could happen, okay? There's reversal models and then there's continuation models. So in the second video, second part, is it going to be the second? It may be the third, but the next video or the video after the next video that I release is going to have the continuation model. This right here, we're just going to talk about the reversal model. So let's talk about the psychology behind supply and demand right here. Okay, so I know we've already mentioned this earlier, but I'm just going to mention it again because I'm pretty sure we have as well. Okay, cool. So let me go to style. Let's change this to 20 really quickly. I just finished a Monday night webinar with my students, so my charts are a little wonky right now, but it's all good. We're gonna fix everything up. Compact, there we go. Price labels we can get rid of for now. Perfect. So within this area right here, the reason why this works is because of what I'm about to explain right here. Okay, so I'm going to go through it very, very quickly because, we've already been through it within a previous video. I believe the video that we went over this was something to do with the order block strategy. All right, there was like a 3-part series, order block confluence. So feel free to go check that out, and I go a little bit more in depth on the psychology behind order blocks and things like that. So within this area, once price pushes down, okay, and then you see you have a range, okay, in between support and resistance, just understand that there are sell orders, okay, and stop loss orders up here at the top, and then there are buy orders and stop loss orders down here at the bottom. Okay, so there are traders who are taking sells up here. Where's my sell? Right here. There are traders that are taking sells right here, okay, with their stop losses right up here. Okay, there are traders that are taking buys. They're trying to go long down here. Let's change this back. Okay, there are traders that are trying to go long right here. Okay, and then you have breakout traders that are going to be shorting as soon as we break this resistance or support, excuse me, right here. Okay, so what does the institution do? The institution takes a sell right here, okay, based on the liquidity up here. Okay, so they take a sell right here. And remember, institutions do not roll with stop losses. They trade with too much money to do so. So the institutions will take a sell right here. Once they take a sell right here, it'll push price down to collect liquidity down here, right? So anyone trying to buy is going to be out of their position, so we'll delete this. And then anyone trying to sell right here is going to be knocked into their position, okay? Then what happens? Then the institutions will take a major buy right here. So we'll change this color, right? So they'll take a major buy right here within this area, okay? And it'll knock out any breakout trader that was trying to sell right here. So they grab liquidity, okay? They basically instigate price to push to the downside, grab liquidity, and then take that liquidity and push to the upside, fill their orders and push to the upside, okay? That's why the schematic works, okay? So once you understand the psychology behind the schematic, you can't be tricked by it, okay? And then the traders that were selling from here get taken out once price pushes to the upside.
What's going on, guys? I hope you all are enjoying the YouTube video and the concepts within. I'm just here to give you guys a quick little shout out to some of my traders and students a part of the mentorship program, as well as the Trillionaire Mac Trades Telegram community. Are you having trouble passing your funded challenges? Are you having trouble being consistently profitable within the market? Or are you having trouble making consistent withdrawals from the market? If so, what I want you guys to do is check out the mentorship program. As you guys can see, we've had plenty of students pass funded challenges. We've had plenty of students able to make withdrawals. These are testimonials that I received yesterday. And I wanted you guys to take a look at some of these testimonials and check them out. So E was able to gain 9.4%. He was able to pass his funded challenge using the strategy to trade Forex. We can see that we have another student that was able to pass his MFF Phase 1 challenge with a $4,325 gold trade, also using our strategy. And we can also see that we had Teddy J that was able to gain $2,000 worth of profit by being a part of the Telegram community trades. If you're someone and you're having trouble passing your funded challenges, if you're someone and you're having trouble being consistent within the market, or if you're someone and you're having trouble being profitable from the market, what I want you to do is check out Mac Trading Academy. At Mac Trading Academy, we have courses and we have sessions all throughout the week to assist you with making sure that you are on the right side of the market and giving you a strategy that you can implement in order to make consistent money from the market. So we have two questions that we received yesterday. One question that my team received is, do you give signals in the paid, or how do the outlooks look? So we give signals within our Telegram community, right? If you want to join the Telegram community, click the first link in the description, join the Telegram community. And shout out to Matthew as well. He's been a mentorship student that has been producing phenomenal results. And yesterday he got started with the Telegram community trades as well, just to help out his trading and make sure that he stays on top of those funded challenges. So if you're someone and you need assistance with a strategy, or you need assistance being profitable, or you need assistance with passing your funded challenge, check out Mac Trading Academy, become a mentorship student, and go ahead and sign up for all of the weekly sessions, as well as the one-on-one sessions that are free on the weekend. Along with this, you also gain access to all of our trading courses. So whether you want to trade the index market, the gold market, or the Forex market, we have courses that are going to teach you exactly how to do that and give you the strategy to use, along with why we use that strategy, and each concept broken down, kind of like what you guys see on YouTube. So if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and write a comment on how this YouTube video has been able to assist you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get back into the concepts of the video, which I know you guys are here for, and I will catch you guys a part of the mentorship program on our Wednesday night session this evening, 8 p.m. See you guys soon.
So our range created demand. Basically, what you want to see with a range created demand reversal model is you want to see a drop, a base. You want price to create a base, and then you want to see a rally. And more than likely, you're going to see price collect liquidity below these lows because it's going to go in the opposite direction. All right, so you're going to want to see a drop into, right? Then you're going to want to see a base within, and then you're going to want to see a rally without or out of. Okay, so drop into, base within, rally out. Then once you see that, you're basically going to target an order block within this area with this push to the downside. Now, if you're having trouble figuring out how to enter the market with order blocks and things like that, feel free to click the first link in the description, join Trillionaire Mac Trades. It's where I send all of my setups to all of my clients within that chat. We have over 7,000 people a part. Started out with around 200, then we went to 1,000, then we were at 2,000, 3,000. I think last week when I checked in with you guys, we were at 3,000, and now we are at over 7K. All right, so super exciting. I'm glad my clients are definitely taking advantage, and I want you guys as my YouTube family to take advantage as well. So be sure to click that first link in the description and go check out the chat. All right. So our anticipation is that price is going to return to this demand level down here. Okay. Collect any buy orders that were sitting here, as well as remember the sell position that the institution took right here. Okay. They were in drawdown throughout this entire area. Okay, it was an unrealized loss, which helps them out with taxes, all right, and accounting and things like that. So once price pushes down, they're able to close this loss either at break even, a small loss, or a small profit. Okay, and then they're able to collect or fill any other buy orders that they did not fill the first go around. Okay, so we always enter the market once when they are trying to mitigate the sell position that they took over here. Okay, so range created demand, drop into, base within, and then push out of. All right, rally out. Now let's talk about pivot created demand. Okay, it's going to be a very, very similar concept. So you're going to see a drop to the downside, then you're going to see price pivot. Okay, and it's going to look something like this. So you're going to see a push to the downside, a push up, right? Lower low. So you're going to see a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a nice push to the upside. And you really want to see, look, you really want to see price break structure and create imbalance. That's how you know that, okay, this is an order block that I should take advantage of. If you do not see price break structure and create an imbalance, okay, then that is not an order block within that area that I would take personally. Okay. So once you see that take place, then you can feel free to really take advantage of price. Okay, once it comes back. All right, so you want to see a drop, a pivot, and a rally. So this is going to be pivot created demand. Okay, slightly different from range created demand. I like range created demand because it tells me that price is really building up orders. Anytime you see an equilibrium of price, okay, it's an even number of buyers to sellers ranging. All right, that means that institutions have an opportunity to build orders and build liquidity. Okay, that is what I like to take advantage of. I still take advantage of pivot created demand, all right, but I really like the range created demand.
What's going on, traders? This is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today.
Now let's talk about supply. So reversal supply models. First, we want to see price rally, push to the upside. Okay. Then we want to see price create a base. So it's similar to range created demand, except it's just opposite. We want to see price create a base. More than likely, you're going to see a liquidity grab, push to the upside. Okay, similar to how you have a liquidity void or a liquidity grab, push to the downside right here. Okay, and then you want to see price drop. Okay, so you want to see a rally, you want to see price consolidate, create a base, and then you want to see price drop. Once you see price drop, you need to see a break of structure as well as imbalance. So you really need the sellers to take over this area right here. And then you'll be looking for price to retrace back into your zone, and then you'll be looking to take advantage of whatever order block is possibly lying here, okay? Now let's talk about a pivot created supply. So very, very similar to previous. You want to see a rally push to the upside. You want to see a pivot. This right here is the pivot, okay? So you want to see a higher high, higher low, higher high. And then you want to see price drop, create a lower low, and then you want to see price start to make its way back to the upside. Now, as you can see, range created demand and supply, right? You guys can see how the line is straightforward, like price just returns back. Okay, right up here, price just returns back. It's not really going to look like this. Okay, so my pivot is drawn a little more how it's going to look within market structure, right? So you're going to have a high, then you're going to have price push down, push up, push down, push up, but overall make its way back to the demand or make its way back to the supply zone. And then you're going to see it push away. Okay, so it won't be as clean cut as you guys see with the range created supply and demand. Okay, you definitely could see something like this take place, but more than likely you're going to see price retrace similarly to how I have my pivots drawn out. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. Now, another thing.
What's going on, traders? This is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today.
Now, another thing to keep in mind, remember, it is not a valid order block in my eyes if it's not responsible for breaking structure and you do not see an imbalance. Those two things are going to be so very important for you to see when you are looking for your order blocks, when you're looking to trade. Okay, you need to see that break of structure and you need to see that imbalance. All right. Now, once price gets into these regions right here, okay, then you're going to use my entry methods. All right. But if you want a clear blueprint for what you should be looking for on what type of pairs, okay, click the first link in the description and join Trillionaire Mac Trades. Okay, I send all of my weekly analysis within that chat, entries, all of that. So you guys are going to have a lot of study examples of this right here. If you guys want to see a quick trade that I'm currently, so if you guys want to see a quick trade that I'm eyeing right now, okay, let's go to the M15, and this is going to be a supply entry. Okay, you're going to see a rally, a base, and then a drop. So you guys see this rally right here. It rallies to the upside. It creates a base. Okay. You see the liquidity grab right here. We have equal highs right here, so we know there's money resting above. And then we have that liquidity grab right up here. Okay. And then we have the drop. So now I'm just waiting for price to retrace back up to this point. If it does, I'll take the trade with my entry criteria. If it doesn't, then I won't take the trade and I'll just move on to the next one. All right, so this is an example of what we just talked about on, let's go back. This is an example of the reversal supply model right here. All right, so with that being said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below and I will answer them. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you want some more content. I will be releasing piece by piece of how I trade order blocks, but I need you guys to stay active in the comments. I need you guys to stay active with the likes and the subscriptions and things like that to let me know that you guys want this information. All right. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to drop them down below or contact me on Telegram or Instagram. A lot of you guys have already been doing that. I love hearing from my YouTube family. I really appreciate you all support. Like I said before, be sure to subscribe. All right. Definitely subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. That being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Be safe. Much love. Deuces.